As you guys can see in the title, we have our AC kit right here, and nonetheless from Hybridracing, I got a super phenomenal deal on this for Black Friday slash Cyber Monday or Cyber Special deals, whatever you call it. My local place, HB Auto Sports. Shout out to them. I'm just trying a different camera angle to see if it helps with the video. But I got a way better deal from Hybridracing with them. Everything said and done, I was looking at 205, but I got a great deal with this. Out the door, 185. Fun little story, funny little story. I actually ended up buying the wrong one. I actually bought the Type R one, and I had to return it back. I had to call them. It was a big old... I ended up getting the right one. So this one right here is the non-Type R one. So I actually, ended up spending a little bit more money. At 185 out the door. It was a great deal versus the Type R one. But nonetheless, we finally got it, and it's something that I want because I want to run AC on the... went ahead and then skipped the whole cutting up the box for you guys, but there we go. You guys can see got the goodies in there. I was hoping for a sticker, but nothing in there. Yeah, you got your lines in here. I'm not sure which one's the high pressure or the low pressure one, but line, hard, firewall, compressed, soft line. All right, so this is a soft line according to this. It brings a relay as well. And then this right here, obviously, Integra non-Type R. In order for this, it says in the description, you need to retain your condenser, I believe the desiccant, and that's pretty much it. If I'm forgetting anything, I'll put it up here from their website, but it'll be linked everything in the description box. This is a AC line soft compressor to condenser. All right, so this goes to the condenser. This is flexible right here, so I can bend it and manipulate it how I need to in order to get everything in there. And then let me see. Yeah, so I'm guessing the metal one's high pressure one, being that's metal. But yeah, that's probably the high pressure one. Let me see. And then another soft one. This one is firewall hard line as well. So this one goes to the firewall. Compressor right here, another soft line for the compressor. And yeah, I'm pretty sure there's a couple lines you need to retain because I don't see where you charge it up, which I believe should be these ones up here. Sorry if you can faintly see it. That's the high pressure line. I know you probably retain that where that desiccant is at, that dryer, and then I'm not sure where the low pressure is at, but I'm pretty sure you retain those two. It does say on the list which ones, but I can't recall off the top of my head. And sorry for all this crap in the way, but yeah, it should be here somewhere. I'll find it. Boom, found it right there. Yeah, so box was in the way. So this is right here. This is the low pressure one. Pretty sure you retain a lot of that as well. Pretty sure you do because it doesn't come out in there, and you need your low and then your high, but we'll figure it out as we go. I'm not going to be installing this right now, obviously, because I still got the B series in here, but once we get closer to it, we'll be doing that. I know I'm missing a whole bunch of stuff for the AC. I still need to get a refresh condenser because, as you guys can see, caca, it is garbage. I mean, I'm pretty sure it still has life in there left, but I'm going to try to refresh everything. It is a little bit rusty. It's been in here ever since the vehicle has been, pretty sure. But yeah, new desiccant as well. I'm probably gonna inspect the evaporator inside, but definitely going to be replacing that thermal expansion valve as well. That's why I haven't put the glove box in there, so that way I have easier access. Once the car is moving, you should take it to a place so that way it can get properly discharged completely instead of letting it out in the air, which obviously it destroy your ozone layer. So don't do that. Don't be that guy. So we'll cross that bridge once we get there. Everything is going to be in Hybridracing's website. They have a link for everything to install, so no big deal. It does show you step by step on how to install everything, so that's a perfect thing about Hybridracing. They help you out as well. Also, there's tons of videos out there for you guys, so you guys are in the loop. But stay tuned. So when I get to that point, because it won't be into another century that I'll get to that point, we will be installing it, and I will be showing you guys, because I still have to figure out which side of the compressor it's the high side, so I can fill it up, because I believe that's how it is, but don't quote me, we're learning as we go. Obviously the EG does not have AC. Alright, also be aware that for this setup you're going to need these style of compressors so it will work, and obviously left hand drive chassis onlys. These are the models. I am right there with the LS, so another note for you guys as well. Guys and girls, this is going to conclude the video. Thank you guys for watching. You know, just to conclude the video, we got the lines for the K-swap for the AC. I'm super pumped. Something that I never got to do with the EG, and I'm gonna get to do with this one, so that's pretty cool. You know, just going down the list of stuff that, you know, it's gonna, you know, take full effect. But I appreciate you guys. Thank you guys for tuning in. This is just kind of like unboxing, you know, just kind of like showing you guys what I got for the Integra. By no means it's budget, but I got a great deal on it, 185. I'll put it here or wherever. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I catch you guys on the next video. God bless you guys and see you guys. Bye.